You're gonna love the 2018 Honda Accord. With less than 90,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Imagine yourself enfolded in premium style and quality with powerful performance at your fingertips. You can have that and more in the iconic Accord, the bold midsize sedan that never stops striving for excellence. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated and/or cooled front seats, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, head-up display, navigation system, keyless entry, moonroof, power passenger seat, heated rear seat, heated mirrors, satellite radio. Quietly powerful, boldly beautiful, simply excellent. The Honda Accord.